Have you ever experienced those mysterious tingling sensations in your hands that wake you up at night? Or perhaps that worrying numbness in your feet that makes you lose your balance? These alarm signals your body sends you should not be taken lightly, as they often reveal silent nerve damage progressing in the shadows. More than 30% of diabetic people develop diabetic neuropathy that transforms their daily life into a real obstacle course. But diabetes is just one of many enemies of your nerves, as aging, nutritional deficiencies and chronic stress can also trigger this insidious degeneration. The real danger lies in the fact that this nerve damage often develops silently, remaining hidden for years before manifesting its first symptoms. Imagine discovering at the end of this presentation the 7 scientifically proven vitamins that can literally save your nerves from destruction. Many people settle for traditional treatments like pain medications or physiotherapy. While these options may provide temporary relief, they don't address the root of the problem. Nature has endowed us with essential vitamins and nutrients that can actively repair, regenerate and protect our nervous system. If you find this information valuable for your health, don't hesitate to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Your support gives us the strength to continue sharing these revolutionary discoveries that can transform your life and that of your loved ones. Together, we can make this channel a reliable source of information about natural health. Let's start with the first crucial vitamin for your nerves, cobalamin or vitamin B12. This extraordinary vitamin is responsible for creating and maintaining myelin, that protective sheath surrounding your nerve fibers like electrical insulation. Without this protective layer, nerve signals dramatically slow down or get completely lost in the system. A vitamin B12 deficiency often accompanies irreversible nerve damage, particularly problematic for diabetic individuals. This vitamin also contributes to transforming homocysteine into methionine, a fundamental amino acid for nerve tissue repair. Homocysteine accumulation becomes toxic and progressively damages nerve tissues over time. Telltale signs include persistent numbness in extremities, muscle weakness and walking difficulties. You'll find vitamin B12 in fatty fish, poultry, eggs and dairy products. Vegans must imperatively consider supplementation as plant sources are insufficient. The recommended dose is 2.4 micrograms daily, but certain conditions require higher intakes. The second essential vitamin is thiamine or vitamin B1. This vitamin converts dietary glucose into cellular energy that neurons absolutely need to function properly. Without sufficient thiamine, your nerves struggle to obtain necessary energy, inevitably leading to nerve damage. Beriberi represents the classic example of severe deficiency, manifesting through muscle weakness and pain in extremities. Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, common in people suffering from chronic alcoholism, causes confusion and severe nervous disorders. The active form called thiamine pyrophosphate directly supports nerve signaling and muscle coordination. Research demonstrates that thiamine supplements significantly relieve peripheral neuropathy discomfort. The best sources include whole grains, legumes and pork meat. Adults require between 1.1 and 1.2 milligrams daily. The third protective vitamin is vitamin D, nicknamed the sunshine vitamin. Its main role consists of regulating calcium levels essential for electrical signal transmission between neurons. A vitamin D deficit disrupts this calcium balance, causing muscle weakness and nerve degeneration. This vitamin has been associated with various neurological pathologies, from multiple sclerosis to chronic pain syndromes. Calcitriol, active form of vitamin D, also reduces chronic inflammation around nerve tissues. Sun exposure remains the most natural way to obtain this vitamin, but geographic location influences skin production. Fatty fish like salmon, egg yolks and fortified foods constitute excellent dietary sources. Most adults require between 600 and 800 international units daily. The fourth indispensable vitamin is pyridoxine or vitamin B6. This vitamin produces neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, chemical messengers essential for neuronal communication. Without sufficient pyridoxine, your organism struggles to synthesize these neurotransmitters, weakening nerve function. Deficiencies manifest through tingling, burning sensations and generalized weakness of extremities. Pyridoxal 5-phosphate, active form of this vitamin, excels in amino acid conversion and neurotransmitter generation. Studies prove that supplementation particularly helps people suffering from diabetic neuropathy. This vitamin also promotes natural repair and regeneration capacity of damaged nerves. Bananas, chicken, potatoes and fortified cereals represent excellent dietary sources. The fifth protective vitamin is vitamin E, powerful natural antioxidant. It effectively protects nerves against oxidative stress caused by destructive free radicals. These unstable molecules damage nerve cells and accelerate age-related deterioration. Vitamin E stabilizes these free radicals, preserving nerve cell integrity against further aggression. Its different forms, tocopherols and tocotrienols, jointly contribute to this antioxidant protection. This function also improves blood circulation, transporting vital nutrients and oxygen to nerve tissues. Diabetic individuals particularly benefit from this supplementation to relieve pain and neuropathic tingling. With age, our cells become vulnerable to oxidative stress, making vitamin E even more crucial for defense. Nuts, seeds and vegetable oils, particularly almonds and sunflower seeds, constitute the best sources. The sixth repairing vitamin is vitamin C, far beyond its immune role. It helps your organism produce collagen, protein-strengthening blood vessel structure that nourishes your nerves. This vitamin directly participates in neurotransmitter production, smoothing nerve communication. Severe deficiency causes scurvy, leading to fatigue and nerve damage with limb numbness. As a powerful antioxidant, it combats oxidative stress, progressively degrading nerve tissues. Supplementation significantly relieves neuropathic symptoms by reducing oxidative damage. Citrus fruits, strawberries, peppers and broccoli offer high concentrations of this essential vitamin. The seventh revolutionary nutrient is alpha-lipoic acid, exceptional antioxidant with unique properties. It restores nerve tissues, reduces inflammation and improves nerve signal transmission effectively. Particularly recommended for diabetic neuropathy, it neutralizes free radicals compromising cellular integrity. Alpha-lipoic acid stimulates blood flow to nerves, guaranteeing constant supply of nutrients and oxygen. It improves cellular glucose utilization, main fuel of nerve cells, stabilizing their activity. Numerous studies demonstrate its capacity to considerably reduce discomfort and burning sensations of neuropathy. It even promotes nerve regeneration, offering hope to reverse certain lesions detected early. Although present in spinach and broccoli, dietary quantities remain insufficient for therapeutic effect. These 7 natural allies represent your defensive arsenal against nerve degeneration. By understanding their action and intelligently integrating them into your routine, you take control of your nerve health before damage becomes irreversible. Don't wait for symptoms to worsen, as prevention always remains the best strategy to preserve your nervous system.